Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to the Excel aptitude test. And this question, which you are seeing, has already been attempted in our previous video. But now we have two questions. One question we have already covered in previous one. So this was the answer. Yeah. And we proceed to the next question. That is very interesting. Okay, it brings this question, this equation in front of you and says, find the value of x. So 2 raised to power x plus x is equal to 5. Now, what is x? So in order to find this, Excel is very smart in doing this by means of we'll see, right? So what we do is we take you uh, to the new sheet and we take this thing, right? So that we know that what we have to do this. Okay. So how to do 2 raised to power x? Just suppose this is x, for example, right? J16 is x, okay? So what we do is we write the formula equal to, and we put 2 raised to power is like this, and this caret sign, yeah. This is exponential symbol, and whatever we write next is the power for that 2 raised to power. If we say 2 raised to power 2, say x is 2, for example, so this will become 4, right? Okay, so instead of 2, we will write what? We will write the cell reference here, this one, okay? And this is x, right? And which is unknown, right? Okay. So 2 raised to power 0 is 1, right? Okay. At the moment, it is like this, okay? And this is for sure 5, right? We will put 5 in here. This has to be constant, right? So we have to find x. Uh, that would make all this, we sum this equal to, so this becomes 5. So we can, uh, instead of writing 5, let's write the formula that this plus this, okay, is 5, right? At the moment it is 1, right? But this will for sure become 5. This will for sure become some value that is raised to power 2, and the product of these two, the outcome of these two expressions, this expression will equal to, will be added, means, um, and the interesting thing is this, that what is x? This is x. This is 2 raised to power x. The x is J16, right? And when these two are summed, so they become, they should become 5. At the moment, it is 1, okay? So what we do is that we go to the data, yeah, and we go to what if analysis, and we use whole seek, right? And we have to set some cell. So we set this cell, not this one. We set this cell to a value of 5. This is our objective, that this should become 5, then it means our desired value of x is achieved, right? And by changing this cell, right? And we click OK. Okay. So x value is 1.72. 1.72. Okay. 2 raised to power 1.72 is 3.28. And that is added with 1.72 is added into that. So both once they are added, so this become 5, right? So this is the answer. So what were our choices? So which choice is going to what? 1.72. Yes, this one is right. Okay. So we will click yes, and this is okay. And we have added a new question in our Excel Aptitude database. That's why it is coming, right? So uh, when we uh, click on the chapter, it comes uh, with it comes with a fresh list of the unattempted, right? When you click on it and when you double click, so you will get to the next question, and that next question brings the image. This is the image being brought from the database. In the database, we have the question. If you say find the value of x, when we have the find the value of x in the question, so it will bring this image, and that is the image which you are seeing in here, right? Okay. So as soon as you double click in here, this image is washed. That's gone, right? And as soon as you uh, attempt the question, we proceed to the next question. Then you have uh, this image brought from the database form, right? And you attempt this question, you give the answer of it, choose your desired option, and then you double click. So you are again being asked from the start, right? Okay, so we will keep on adding values to this great tool which we have made for testing, for self-testing of our own self, test yourself, right? Or it can be for testing of your audience, understanding of the subject which you are presenting, or you may use it as a um, um, for the training, uh, training your session, planning your session, and in the end you present the quiz to the audience, right? Or you can use it at home, uh, if you for your kids, for your boys and girls, the children, or the teachers can use it in their exam. Teachers can use it to train, to assess the students' understanding of the subject. So simple approach is that you add a subject, you you repeat that subject again and again and again until you have all the questions listed in here, and give the answer of them and give their choices. That's it. If you have some bitmate, for example, find the value, you can put it in the column N, right? So this will bring automatically the image when you reach to that uh, uh, mm, question, right? So if you, when you double click on it, so this image is being being brought for you, right, from the database. Okay, so this is a addition of value which we have done, and even if you delete it, no problem. You can double click on it, so you will get it back. Okay. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this, and see you in our next video. Thank you very much.